Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I assemble my black forest cake. It's easy, elegant, and it turns out perfectly every single time. So let's get started. Into a large bowl, I'm adding mascarpone cheese. I give it a quick mix just to soften it. Next, I pour in cold heavy cream and half a cup of chantilly powder and wipe everything together until it becomes light, fluffy, and smooth just like this. You'll know it's ready when the cream holds its shape and looks glossy. And as you see here, I already prepared the cake in advance. I'll upload a full detailed video on how to make them very soon. Now for the syrup, this is what gives the cake super moist. So in a pot, I add 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and I let it heal until the sugar melts completely. Now let's assemble our black forest cake. And before that, look at this sponge. It's so soft and light. So I place the first cake layer on my board and brush it with the cherry syrup. I added 1 teaspoon of cherry concentrate to boost the flavor. Next, I spread a nice layer of the mascarpone cream. Then I add a layer of cherry compote. And we're just repeating the same steps with all the layers until the cake is complete. Once I'm done, I place the whole cake in the freezer for about 3 hours so it can firm up. And after it sets, I cover it with a thin layer of cream, just a light crumb coat, and put it back in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then I go in with a second layer of cream and smooth it out. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth because we're covering it with chocolate decoration later. Now for the decoration, I made these simple chocolate pieces. And you can also add fresh cherries on top if you have them. I don't have any today since it's winter season. And here is the final result. Elegant, simple, and absolutely delicious. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and see you in another video.